Alright, so here's my 96 Dodge Ram 1500. So it needs some work, but what I'm doing is exhaust clip for it today. I got some other videos coming up shortly here, but as you can see, there was the old straight pipe that I bought it came with. And there is the thrush turbo muffler. So let's go ahead and I'll set it up and let you hear how it sounds. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think of the exhaust on the truck. Like I said, I'm going to have more videos to come once I get more stuff for it, like the rocker panels and stuff that I'm going to be doing. And I need a new tripod because I broke mine, so yeah, let me know what you guys think, and subscribe for more videos, leave some thumbs up, and catch you later.